Hello everyone, today I have SM820 from Salakaka. This is a 3-mode wireless mouse with docking station. Let's open the box, let's check what we have inside and let's check how it works. So as you may see, inside the box we have a mouse itself, we have a nice docking station on a magnet actually, so it will stick pretty cool. And we have USB-A, USB-C braided black cable, and we have user menu. Let me connect this cable to my PC and we will do some testing. Okay guys, first of all, immediately I can see that we have RGB effect underneath of the docking station. Check this out closer, right? You can see this RGB brightness, and I can see a button, and you can change RGB pattern with one click, which is pretty cool by the way. And we have, you see, attached without any effort because it's on a magnet. And now we have our mouse perfectly fine aligned with the docking station and actually charging. So when you finish with your gaming session, you need just to put it on top of this docking station and that's all. And you don't need to worry, you know, did I connect USB cable? Is it charged? Is it not charged? All these questions will gone. Okay, on the bottom side we have a special section for the USB 2.4 wireless dongle, which is just cool, so which means this mouse is wireless. And we have some RPS change and we have connection type change. So let's switch to the 2.4. Let me connect this to my gaming PC. From the top side we have left and right buttons. We have a scroll wheel with a click itself as well. We have DPI cycle and we have two custom keys for anything what you may need. From the form factor point of view, it's very nice mouse, very compact one, very lightweight, right? Let me check what should be a weight of this mouse. So the weight of this mouse is only 58 gram, plus minus 2 gram, obviously, right? So it's really lightweight device, and take into account that we have 1000 Hz of pulling rate and we have DPI range from 100 to 24,000 actually, sorry. And of course we have this PAW3311 optical sensor inside. But let's download some driver and let's see how it works. Okay, here you go. This is a driver, right? Now let's see what we have inside. First of all, obviously you can reassign the keys. Basically we have only 6 keys, so it's not a lot, I mean not too many to reassign. Then we have a config, right? We can switch between these DPI levels from the mouse itself, and we have 6 DPI levels pre-assigned. Also we can change a report rate. Let's switch to the 1000 Hz as a report rate, and we can use some macros, which is nice, and we have some general settings you can check for firmware, but I have a latest version anyway. Now let's do some pulling rate test. Okay, I'm using Razer pulling mouse pulling tester. We have a mouse, we have a wireless receiver, and you can see on your screen we have a clear 1K pulling rate without any issues, right? It's not a 8K, but anyway 1K is more than enough for you to play and to not damage the performance of your PC. By the way guys, did you know that you can insert this 2.4 wireless dongle just right into the docking station? It's just cool, and you see the distance from the docking station to the mouse is super small, which means delay will be really small. Okay, let's go to Valorant and let's do some gaming testing. Let's see how it works. Let's start practice. Let me try to understand how this lightweight mouse is working. Can I do the aiming immediately or it will take me some time? And as you may see, it's just immediate reaction. So super light, super precise and super useful mouse for gaming and work in general. Okay guys, what I can say as a summary for this mouse. This mouse is really cool. First of all, as you may see, it's really versatile device. From one side, this is a gaming mouse with 1000 Hz pulling rate, with wireless connection, wired connection, with a scroll wheel and all of that. It's a perfect mouse for any FPS games, right? Together with a docking station, first of all, you can add this nice RGB brightness to your desktop and your setup. Together with your PC, it will looks amazing, right? But also, it's a dock station and it's a place for your wireless dongle, which is awesome. And the main feature, at least for me, I'm always forgetting to charge my mouse. And when it's time for the game, I'm really disappointed that I need to connect a cable to the mouse to play. But now I'm done with my gaming session, place it on top of the docking station, magnetic docking station, which is just cool. And that's all. So if you're looking for really versatile, high performance, incredibly budget and lightweight mouse, definitely check this out.